Hi guys, welcome to your own channel Corporate CA. In this video what I'm going to talk about is 4 methods or formulas that is for clearing the CA exams. This method is being shared by Mr. Amit Khandal, a faculty of Rajasthan who teaches taxation for CA final as well as intermediate. He has stated that the first method is, first you need to have a conceptual clarity. If at all, if you are studying for your CA final as well as intermediate, you should have concept clarity. With concept clarity, you can go to your examination with ease. So how to fetch this concept clarity? Institute study material. Do not forget to study from the institute material, or if you have studied from any other material, please see to that you download the study material and check the answers from there. Institute has a deep requirement that their answers should be from the study material, because the answers when they are checking, they refer from the study material, and study material has explained the concept very well. So please refer the study material. If your study material is outdated, take a look at the website of ICAI and download the study material and refer that. Also, there is a recommendation that follow all the illustration in the study material as well as the question and answer that is been given at the last of the topic in a capsule or conceptualized manner. It happens that there are many questions being asked in the exam directly from the illustration as well as the questions that is given in the last. It will help you to solve the MCQs as well. Please do refer that. It is very important, and it is very easy to understand the concept as well. This will get you a concept clarity. If at all a direct question is not asked also, you can apply to this concept to any question that comes up. Second thing is the RTPs. RTPs are given key importance to all of the subject. You have to refer to each of this RTP of every subject, and it happens that many questions are asked from this RTP. It is the institute material that you have to refer. Second is the MTP, mock test papers. If you are appearing for any of the mock test papers, it is well and good. This gives you an idea where is your preparation, and not only your preparation, your ability to recall, your memory, your ability to write under a stressful situation, and your ability to present the answers in that time. So this will help you to improve your ability to bring up the answers on the papers. So mock test papers has to be checked or solved at least for 4 attempts. So likewise, RTP as well as MTP needs to be solved for 4 attempts for every subject. See to that you do it for every subject. Next is suggested answers for your past question papers. This you need not do for every subject. At least you have to do for costing. In case of costing, at least 4 attempts, previous 4 attempts question paper you need to solve. There are question patterns that come up from these papers, so you have to solve those. If there is no time, at least a 3 attempt previous question papers need to be solved. It is advisable to do 4 if there is time. Do that, and your practice manual as well for costing. So that is the best thing, 4 techniques that needs to be done. You'll surely find improvement in marks, because the question pattern, the manner of asking the questions, everything is been given in these RTP, MTP, suggested answers as well as from the study material. So see to that you do from these materials, and the marks will be improved, and it will help you clearing up the CA final or as well as intermediate examination. So that's all in this video. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and all the best.